video on educational topic. It's been a lot of fun doing these videos, and we're going to keep doing it over the course of our entire YouTube. So, hear me out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Today's topic is a topic of solid versus semi-solid versus hollow gold. What is it and what's the difference? So, with solid gold, that means it was entirely casted out of the alloy of 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, 24 karat, whatever carat of gold you're working with. There's no other metal in it aside from the alloys that's used to make, for example. So, hear me out. With solid, it's all of the alloyed gold, 10 karat, 14 karat. It is not plated, filled, or hollow on the inside. And some pros of most durable and long lasting, higher resale value, can be repaired or resized easily, and ideal for heirloom quality pieces. Some cons, really, is just more expensive. That's about it. Another con could technically be heaviness, with it being another con. If you have 500 grams of gold on your neck, that could definitely get heavy. So semi-solid gold is partially filled. You know, there's a small cavity on the inside. It's like 50-50. You know, it's a mix between budget and affordability, and then the heaviness of real, solid gold. And so definitely some cons of it is it dents easier. You may have to repair it more often. But a pro of it is a little bit more solid than your full hollow gold. So it does have better weight and feel to it. None of these pieces are semi-solid or hollow. They're all solid. Just this one chain is over 50 grams and it's 22 inches. Another thing with semi-solid is it can be molded over a base layer. However, if we ever do any semi-solid pieces to accommodate for budget, we never put it over a base layer. It is strictly the alloy of gold or silver, whatever it is. And moving forward, ethically, a jeweler should always communicate with you if a piece is solid, semi-solid, or hollow. It is not unethical to sell a hollow piece of gold, but it is unethical to sell off a hollow piece of gold as solid. Hollow gold is made from thin sheets of gold wrapped over a surface with a hollow cavity, or molded in the smelting process in a mold where there's an actual cavity on the inside and it's very hollow. For example, if this chain was hollow, you're probably looking at like 7 grams on this chain. And it's 4.5 millimeter, 22 inches. You may be looking at around 4 to 7 grams on the chain with it being completely hollow. And some pieces, are more hollow than others, meaning it has even less gold. It's a very thin layer of sheets. Major cons: low resale value, dents very easily, and can break very easily. I recommend solid gold, however, to accommodate for budgets. And, gold is expensive. It's going up every day. It's over $3,000 an ounce, and it's going to keep climbing. So to accommodate for budgets and other affordability options, semi-solid and hollow have become popular in the industry. And that is my take on the difference of solid, semi, and hollow gold. There's nothing wrong with any of them. It's personal preference. I prefer solid. We got all three here at TruGold. So you just let me know what you want to buy. Thank you for watching, and tune into the next video.